Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this A registration, so it's either 83 or 84. I'll confirm when I do the description. Ferrari Mondial QV in white with red leather. 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Alright, quick video of start up and idling on this Ferrari Mondial. Starts up and settles down to a nice idle. I'll turn the lights on actually so you can see the, and as you can see the lights have popped up at the front. But all the instruments come on as they should. The clock is flashing purely because this has got a battery isolator on it and we haven't reset the clock subsequently. But no warning lights coming up either there or there. Just doing what it's supposed to do. There we go. 3-litre QV engine there. Got Quattrovalvole, which means 4 valves per cylinder for those who don't know. Just doing what it should. Starts nicely, runs sweetly. There we have it. Okay, let's take this A registration, so either 83 or 84, Ferrari Mondial QV for a spin. It's showing 57,000 miles. We've got massive history with it, which I will need to go through. But yeah, it's rather lovely. Just been out for a little run in it. Now we'll do it for the camera. All the warning lights come up as they should. Just turn the fan down a bit. Starts nicely. We'll put some headlights on because it's getting a bit dark. Headlights all pop up as they should. Probably can't see that on the video, but trust me, they are popped up. No funny warning lights on the centre control panel. Stereo wise, it looks like it's got radio CD, but I can't find the head unit in it anywhere. Maybe in the history file. But, oh, what's this here? Oh no, here it is, underneath the seat. Kenwood. Yeah, there we go, that's all there. Good. So, off we go. So we found the stereo. Let's turn the fan back on a bit again. No funny bumps or clunks or anything. It does exactly what it should. Obviously, being a Ferrari, the gearbox is a bit wonky until it's warmed up. But once it's warmed up, not a problem at all. Oil pressures are good. The gauges are working as they should. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. It just performs the way the Ferrari is supposed to. Takes me back a bit. It must be at least, well, almost 30 years since I last had one of these. I liked them then, I like them now. And I'm 6'6", there's plenty of room in it for me. Along. Yeah, it steers properly. Say no funny bumps or clunks from suspension or anything over bumps. Nicely. Just does what it's supposed to do. think the air conditioning works as well. It's a bit difficult to tell this time of year because it's so cold outside, but it has recently had, according to the last owner, a whole load of work done on the aircon system.